Man, hopefully I don't look fat in this video. I've been trying to lose some of that quarantine pounds that I've been gaining. You know, all I've been doing is eating and Netflixing. But anyways, enough about me. As you guys can tell, the interior has been already installed into the Bronco. We are in the final stages of this Bronco being taken out of here, and with the motor and everything being installed pretty soon. So this is gonna be part one of part two of this restoration. We still need the driveline, the suspension, the motor, all that stuff. So that's going to be coming, you know, later down in the future. With that being said, take a look at this interior, guys. It is really, really nice. It's got like a really plush interior. It's got a nice headliner. It's kind of like suede. I don't know if it is real suede. I don't know. I'm not an upholstery guy. I'm just a detailer / YouTuber. So let me know what you think on the comments below of this restoration. That was part one of part two. So I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. This is part one of part two. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get part two of this Bronco. It's time for me to ride off into the sunset and make sure that this car gets its heart transplanted. Boom, 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 boom. All right, push, pumpkin boy.